Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Motorola Edge 60 Pro, and let me share with you how to change the 3 buttons navigation into the gestures in this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, which are right here, and then scroll to find gestures. Let's stop. Now we have to tap on System Navigation at the top, and as you can see here, we've got relevant options. Before we will set the gestures, I just wanted to show you that here, after tapping on this gear icon, you can customize the buttons, so you can change the button order. So it's of course up to you. To set the gestures, simply tap on this option. And instead of the buttons, we will have this line, which is responsible for specific gestures, which I will explain in a second. Of course, you can also enter the settings here, and you can customize them, so you can decide whether you want to swipe for assistant. You can change the back sensitivity to be higher or lower, and to be honest, I highly recommend to get back to this option after a while of using the gestures, so you will be able to decide whether you need this sensitivity to be higher or lower. And the navigation bar, so this line, you can either show it or hide it. However, if the circle to search is enabled, you will not be able to hide it. Alright, so now a quick tutorial of how to use the gestures. In order to get back to the previous page, simply swipe your finger from the side to the center. You can see this arrow, so now you can release the finger. The same situation from the right side. If you'd like to get back directly to the home page, swipe your finger from the bottom to the center and make sure that this this gesture is quick and short, something like that. And if you'd like to open the recent, repeat the gesture, but hold your finger somewhere here, something like that. And here we've got the gestures, the recent, sorry. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.